Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this problem of oil leakage from this oil cam cap. The oil cam cap seal, it's obviously cracked or perhaps it's hardened. That's why you have this leakage. You can see it's so dirty down there, causing so much of dirt. The leakage oil sift through the seal down here. Okay, so in order to remove this, in order to remove it, you must curl counterclockwise. When it's very loose, then what happens is I want to change the seal here.
Yeah. Okay, I've got a new one. So one way to do it, you use a small, tiny screwdriver to change the seal. Right, and then replace it with the new one. I've got OEM one. Well, there's some number here. In Japan. I think this one should go the other way around. This one should go in, so the wording go at the back. Okay, and then do myself a favor, wipe clean to test if there's any leakage sign.
So I have to change the seal for the oil cap. Place it back there. Oh, it's pretty tight fit now. Okay, hope it will solve the problem.